How to remove payment method from Amazon. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove payment method from Amazon. So first, simply head over to your any of your favorite browser and just log into your Amazon account from your browser and simply click on this account option over here. Make sure you are signed into account. For now, I'll simply show from over here. Once you hover over it, you shall see this option. And once you're inside here, you can see there is an option called your payments. Just select it, and here you should be seeing all of your transactions or your payment methods which you have set it, like credit card or debit card. So since I haven't set it, I will show you from my example. As you can see, when you click on this your payment, you will actually see all of your card details if you have set it up, and you can easily click on this enlarge that particular payment method and simply click on this remove, or you can also actually edit it. So since we are removing it, you just click on this remove button over here, and once you click on confirm, your credit card or debit card, that is a payment method, will be successfully removed from your payment method on your Amazon. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.